Good afternoon, everybody. How is everyone? Tax season, another beauty for you guys, folks. Gorgeous day. You can wear a t-shirt today. It's beautiful, 60 some degrees, folks. What do we have here? 2014 Audi A7, black pearl metallic with chocolate brown interior. Black pearl looks like this. Brand new tires all the way around. They were not cheap. 3-liter turbo engine. Folks, fully serviced. This is how they run when they're happy. Xenon headlights, LEDs all the way around, LEDs on the tail lights, LEDs on the mirrors. Folks, she's a beauty. I'm gonna start closing up. This guy is fully serviced, ready to go. Let's start with the passenger front door, right? No rips, no tears. Absolutely gorgeous interior. This is real wood. The screen goes in and out when you start and close, when you start the car and when you turn off the car. The headlights are on right now, that's why the nav is showing dark. Heated seats, digital climate control, automatic engine on and off when you're at a red light. I usually turn it off, I don't use it. It's just more wear and tear on a car. Electric parking brake, and you can control everything with that circular knob right here. Engine start stop button. Let's go to the passenger side rear. Here is our door. Here is our floor. Rear heated seats. Here's a quick look at the dash from the back. And you're gonna have plenty of photos at trimaxauto.com, so no worries there. Sunroof, yes, it is tilted right now. The trunk is big. Quattro, which is what Audi calls an all-wheel drive system. It is a unique system. It's better than an all-wheel drive system, to be honest, and they've been masters at it for ever since the 1980s. Alright, driver's side rear door is done. Driver's side front door, memory seat, trunk, mirrors, windows, headlights, all of the function buttons on the steering wheel. You can control your main center screen from right here. You can put whatever you want on there, radio, and anything you want on there. Bluetooth, heated steering wheel, and if you can see through there, that's your cruise control right there. Here's the sunroof control. Rear view mirror, self-dimming mirror, full telescoping steering wheel. It goes in and out, up and down, and lumbar support, driver's side. The color is absolutely beautiful, chocolate brown with black pearl metallic. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the pictures and upload it to our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram, so you guys can see it. Folks, we've been doing this since 2007. sales, service, and finance. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to give us a call at 757-222-0522. Point of contact is Justin. He'll be happy to help you guys out. We are, due to the tax season, behind on our photos and videos. We're trying to do it as soon as we can. And yes, people are in the mood to buy cars because everybody's getting their tax return. We appreciate all the business, all the referrals. We wouldn't be able to do this without you guys. Thank you so much. Just to help you guys out, if you guys bought a vehicle from us and you need it to be serviced, we do service our customers' cars, and we service our own inventory. You get lifetime discounted labor rate on the labor and on parts. Folks, absolute beauty. She won't be around too long. Oh, most important part, right? 2014. So this car is about to be around 160, 170K ish. Guess how many miles it has? It has 70,000 original miles, Carfax certified, no accidents. Basically driven less than 6,800 miles a year. So she is a beauty. All 4 tires are brand new. Service is completely done. So when you get in it, all you have to do is just start driving it. The rims are, to my knowledge, they are 20s. Let me make sure. Are they? I'm gonna read it there. Let's check this one. Yes, they are 20-inch rims, folks. All-wheel drive, all new tires all the way around. 70,000 original miles on this absolute beautiful car. And no, you don't have to pay 90K plus. You can just buy this one and enjoy the car. All right, folks, take care. Bye.